come and go and all that kind of mess. But when it comes to telling me what to wear on my head, honey, somebody's got to go. That's not coming here giving me no bad time. Especially with all the stuff I done put up with Henry.
Really? You got to think you eat on style.
Honey, let me get off of this phone. Here's this hungry man. Call you later.
Woman, what in the world is that thing you got on your head?
Henry, don't you come in here asking me what's this thing I've got on my head. It's a wig, that's what it is.
A wig?
You heard me. A wig, and I bought it.
You bought it with my money? Oh, you ain't got no business spending my money on no wig. I put money in this house for bacon and headaches and pork chops and
And
dogs.
a wig, too. Hair tied back.
Really, you ain't gonna wear that thing out the street.
Oh, yes, I am gonna wear it out in the street. Wear it anywhere I want to wear it.
I don't see why you don't fix your hair like Jesse May anyhow. Well, her hair's always shining pretty.
I've got news for you. The same shiny hair you see on Jesse May's head is a wig, too. Me and her bought them at the same time. I want to know.
Well, you sure got a lot of nerve if you're gonna wear that thing. I'll bet old Mabel and Jesse May's on your body line talking about you like a dog.
Well, I'm gonna pick up this phone and see.
I don't know, dig him, old gospel old women, buying him hair wigs. Took my money and bought a...
Did you see that darn wig the minute bought? Honey, I told her she must be losing her mind. You mean to tell me she's got the nerve to wear that thing in the street? If she do, honey, she sure Lord will stop traffic. You know she can't afford to spend that kind of money. She'll have to pay everything home. And half the time, honey, throws it all in the street before he gets home. Girl, if Henry knew how much Ruby paid for that blonde thing, I bet he'd take the salt out of her shaker.
Really? Stop that eater dropping on that telephone. Come on, give me my food.
Oh, shut up, Henry. You ain't got no manners at all. I'd heard me listening in. Mabel and Jesse May ain't no friends of mine, no how. Wicked, you